Alright, we're back with another A&UTV PRO installation. We got the rack extender and some hand grips from our sponsor A&UTV. Today we'll be installing these on HELLBOY's 570s. This is his Jeep, part of the Mid-South Jeep Club. Y'all make sure y'all go check out the Mid-South Jeep Club, and if you have a Jeep, be sure to join the Mid-South Jeep Club. There's a 570. The blue looks great. Gotta love the Jeeps. That's how you know you really ride. Look at there. If your Jeep don't have a scratch, a bump, or a bruise, or a broken windshield on it, it's probably not a Jeep. Good people over at the Mid-South Jeep Club. Good people. Always doing stuff for the community. Riding all the time. I've been a member for a couple years now. I've done a few different events. I really don't take the Gladiator off-road, but I've done some birthday drive-bys. We've done the Christmas lights at Shelby Farms, and Jeeps on Build. That was a lot of fun. There's Mr. Hellboy. We're putting the front rack extender on today for him from A&UTV. What do you think, Hellboy?
It's good.
So this is going to be our front rack extender. It will go here. So I'm going to set this down. You have two plastic tabs that you pop out at the base of your rack, and then you pull out these two bolts and the other two on that side, and that's how your rack will bolt. Your rack extender will bolt to your rack. So we're going to get on that and we'll get back with you here in just a minute. So they sent bolts with the new kit, but we realized that you can use the old bolts and they're just long enough. So
it's just like that.
I love how the Polarises have so much storage space.
It's too tall. So my wife and I have
alright, so yeah, you can use the factory bolts. You don't have to use the new ones that come with the kit. They're just long enough and they screw right back into the rack extender. You take the other bolts that came with the kit and throw them in your extra bolt bucket. Once again, this is from A&UTV, our sponsor here at Get It Out the Mud 901. Y'all make sure to go check them out on Amazon for all your A&UTV accessories. Real simple install. Easy to assemble. Now the Hellboy has more rack. Put his big guns up here. Got the Jeeps out, putting a mini split in the 5th bedroom we got built. Socket set's a mess.
Let's see, started.
Does that help?
Yeah. That's what we call fun.
Yeah. Hey, what other group you know where you get free parts just for being part of the group? We love to give back to the off-road community. And y'all be sure to check out the Mid-South Jeep Club, especially if you got a Jeep. We do a lot of great things, great events, do things for the kids, birthday drive-bys, St. Jude visits. Whole bunch of good stuff in that club. Good people. Come over and move concrete slabs for you. And there you have the A&UTV rack extender. Easy to assemble, super easy to install. Looks great on the HELLBOY's 570, as you can see. I think he's pleased, but he don't talk much. So yeah, you got extra space here when you're riding. If you want to hit the trail for the day, you can throw a cooler up here. You got somewhere to hook your straps, tie-offs too. You can even set a butt up there and let them ride. All right, now we're going to move on to the A&UTV handguards. Black plastic handguards, look super easy to install and assemble. So we're going to get to that now and get them assembled and get those installed as well. Once again, thank you A&UTV PRO.
Slow and lean forward to keep weight on the front. I learned that because I almost bailed out, and if I did, it would have rolled down on Larry and took him out.
Yep.
So we brought helmets today. Like, we may.
Hey, that ain't a bad idea at Sugar Creek.
I'm old school. If I'm motorcycle on the street, I always have a full face helmet. These kids, they want them fancy looking helmets and shit. I said, oh hell no.
I saw a guy dead in Dallas one day. His Harley was laying about 6
Wait
feet
till he
from
gets
him,
that done.
and he had just, it was like slow, like 5 mile an hour traffic, and he got just a little bit of gravel with some road construction. And he basically just did this. His bike landed there, and he fell and hit his head on the curb.
That's it.
No helmet law there.
Yeah.
Laying there dead. I mean, we were all past him. I had a cop standing over waiting on the ambulance. He's just dead.
5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything. So
People say now it might not help you at 75, but
Yeah.
it's at 5 it's gonna do you some
yeah.
good.
Yeah, it's always good to wear a helmet when you're riding. That's for daggum
I mean,
sure.
if you're on flat trails with the mud and you don't get like
Right.
your guys are doing that stupid, yeah, you're not gonna get hurt. But you start going up some hills and some of that other stuff, man, these things are just flop
Yep.
back.
That's why I got a side by side.
Yeah, I had that.
Why
We were
drive
out,
the Jeep?
I was at S'mores. We finished up. We rode Friday and Saturday. Saturday was a ride. I was done. A couple guys had these buggy bombs, man, some big ones too, and they got money in it. They're sitting there. It was dark, and they had a few beers. He said, "Hey, you want to come ride? We're gonna do some sixes." And he said, "Don't worry about those dings on the roof." I said, I got me a good sturdy aftermarket. I said, I had this made, not that flimsy shit that comes with them. I'm like, do I really want to go with him and roll over?
Yeah.
I'm like, you know, I'm
Even
starting
if you are in your seatbelt, it's still going
oh, you're all hooked in.
to hurt you. I mean, not hurt you, but you know, you're going to be sore.
You're going to get sore, yeah. I mean, you're not going to die. At Hot Springs, a year ago, 2 years ago, we had a guy.
Guess you might want
They were
to wait and tighten
in the
that down
buggies,
until we
they
get
hit
it
that
set
cliff,
where you want
and they
it.
bounce up and come over the cliff. And I walked over and I was watching. Like, man, that shit's cool. The guy's wife was there. Said, "You want to go?" I said, "You know, does that kid want to be in a candy store?" So I strapped in. And my wife hollers, "His insurance is paid up," and everybody in the whole Jeep crowd laughing their ass. You ain't filming this, are you?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit.
No, you're good.
Nah.
I edit and do all
So
kind of good
they were
stuff.
laughing. They were laughing their ass, and the guy goes, he got a little bit, didn't hit enough. We bounced off, came back. The next time he went to go in his power steering, had something loose. But wait a minute, I don't have any steering. He said, "We going this time." He revved the hell out of that thing. We hit the side thing. We just come way the hell up above the cliff,
Yeah.
and we
Got one
bounced,
thing to
bounced,
figure out.
bounced. Yeah, I had the new one. I
mean,
said,
we
I'm
had-
not tearing up $45,000.
Yeah, we
No
had
shit.
wheels and tires and lifts and Nerf bars and all that crap in our.
Hey, over here.
Larry Reed. So if you go to tag and put on it, mention Larry Reed.
We
is
will
your
do.
assistant mechanic here.
HELLBOY's assistant.
Yeah, I got a. Yeah, oh, I love that. HELLBOY's assistant.
I told my wife last night,
I
Robert
told
calls
her.
me a sidekick. When did I become a sidekick?
Yeah.
You got to get a sidekick outfit. Got the hand grips on, got the rack extender on, HELLBOY's 570. It looks good, I think he likes it. Got the nice blue. think?
Hellboy for Hellboy.
Got the guards on there.
Hellboy's got protection.
Got to protect them hands. Got the rack extender, all from A&UTV PRO on Amazon. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the Mid-South Jeep Club. Make sure y'all got a Jeep, join the club. Give back to the community. The rack extender looks good.
That is Hellboy approved.
Hellboy approved.
Hellboy approved.
Now he's fixing to go to Sugar Creek and see if he can tear up the hand guards.
Get it in the mud. Get it out of the mud. Get it out the mud.
Thank you, A&UTV PRO on Amazon. Thank all the group members. Thank you for subscribing. Go check out the group, check out the YouTube channel. Join, subscribe. We'll be giving away more free parts all the time from our sponsor, A&UTV. And thank you, Hellboy. Say again.